Did you touch the sea?
Oh. Yeah, this is the sea, isn't it?
No, that's the sea. You're supposed to touch the sea.
I'm out of breath.
Dude, you can do this.
Yes, made it!
How's it feel?
Awesome.
Real man now.
Oh no. Are you just digging a big hole?
Well, I reckon.
Just pick it up and move it out like you said.
I'll get my bike.
You can't pull it out, you've got nothing to pull it with.
I've got a jockey strap, we'll put that around it. I'll go.
Your bike's not going to be able to go down here anyway.
Right, even better, what I'll do, if I gun it 100 miles an hour up here, you grab the jockey strap as I hold it out, and I pull you up.
Mate, you're not going to be able to get up here anyway.
Why?
Because you're not.
I'm better than you.
You're not.
You're alright. Let's do it.
Come on then. Let's see how far he gets. How he stalls it.
Okay, so my brilliant plan, 11 out of 10, can't go wrong. I'm going to gun my bike right down there, show off a bit, just rub his face in it, go back past, hook him up, tow him out, because I'm on a Himalayan and they do everything. He's on a Aprilia, it's Italian. It's knackered after 5 minutes, looks good, but knackered after 5 minutes. Indian, Himalayan, designed to go all day. Yeah, this is going to work. Right, turn around first, and then power. Loads and loads. Oh no, it's just stalled it. Well, ignore that happened. Power. But literally, nothing can go wrong. Keep going, son! Oh! Oh! Yes! Yes! Oh yes! Now, I don't care what the Sidekick says, that's how it's done. That's how it's done.
Yeah, you got to get back up there. I managed to get down here.
No, I ain't going back up.
Yeah.
No, I'm just come down for the epicness. We cut the footage there, and I look the best.
How are you going to get back on the road?
Well, just, I keep going on the beach till it turns into a road.
What?
When they have the boats that go in at the life centre bit, I just got there.
Mate, you do know the tide's coming in.
Well, they quit then. I'll see you in a bit. Let's go. This is how beach riding's done, big boy! Woo-hoo-hoo! You Royal Enfield, you make dreams happen. You really make dreams happen. Right, I better go and help Sidekick get out, because without me, you know what he's like. He's lost, isn't he? Oh, do I have to? Look. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, so it's about power, low torque, and go for it, okay? That's how you ride out of these places. Here we go. Fuck! Fuck!
Didn't make it up there. No. I think you're stuck as well now. Both stuck.
Oh, I'm going to do it again. More power, yeah? I can't go backwards.
You do realise that's now going to fall apart?
No. So, after riding that beautifulness, I slowed down to ask the Sidekick if he was okay. It was nothing to do with lack of power, and I got stuck. Yeah. So now we've got to get that out, as well as the Sidekick's bike. And it's the Sidekick's fault, because if he hadn't have broken down in the first place, I wouldn't have slowed down to ask if you were okay, instead of just gunning it all the way. So you should feel quite bad.
No, you're an idiot. You shouldn't have brought it on in the first place.
I reckon we should do it again. And this is the other thing, you didn't press record on something, so we missed a load of footage.
I was waving at you and you were just too keen.
Dude, you're always waving at me. I get a lot of people wave at me. It happens a lot. You can't just wave and expect an answer. I'm a lord, a celebrity.
I'm getting hot.
Dude, you're not hot. You're quite ugly. Right, should we get your bike out then?
I want to get it out.
And then go for a coffee?
Yeah.
Okay, we got Darren's bike out, and being super fit and healthy that I am, I'm not struggling or out of breath in any way. Darren's gone for a lie down. Hopefully he'll come back, so we're going to get that out. Yeah, we can do it. Never give up, never quit. We can do this.
You got a drink?
I was going to ask you that.
No.
What?
No.
You didn't bring any water?
No.
Are we both idiots?
Yeah.
Proper plonkers. Still blame you.
I feel sick.
I've got a stitch.
Oh.
I think that sausage this morning was a bad idea. Right, Sidekick. Go get our gear. I need a rest.
Yeah.